Okay, so problem number 3 naman for speed of sound. So, what is the speed of sound of air at 80,000 feet altitude? Okay, so pinapahanap yung speed of sound ng air sa altitude na 18,000 feet. Okay, so given, sulat muna natin yung given. May given tayo na altitude na 18,000 feet. Okay, so h is altitude. So required, pinapahanap is yung speed of sound. Okay, VA. So solution, okay, so solution, so sulat natin yung formula ng speed of sound. So since English system yung ginamit na unit, okay, so feet, English system yan. So English formula ng speed of sound in English system yung gagamitin. 49.02 times square root of t. Okay, so since excuse, altitude yung given, no, wala pang given na temperature, kailangan natin ngayon kunin yung temperature sa altitude na 18,000 feet. Okay, so gagamitin natin yung formula ng temperature variation. Okay, so sinabi ko to kanina sa PowerPoint nyo, diba? T sub O plus AH. T sub O, ito yung constant, again, ito yung constant value ng temperature at standard sea level condition. Okay, so 519 Rankine kapag English system, then 288 Kelvin kapag metric system. Okay, then A, ito yung lapse rate, then H, ito yung given na altitude. Okay, again, ito yung mga value ng lapse rate. So ito kapag English system, okay, then ito naman kapag metric system. So ito yung gagamitin natin na value ng lapse rate since English system yung gagamitin natin. Okay, so T equals to, again, ito yung constant value ng temperature at standard sea level condition plus yung lapse rate negative 0.003566 Rankine per foot times age, yung altitude na given 18,000 feet. So cancelled na yung unit na feet. So matitirang unit na lang is Rankine. Okay, baba ko lang. So makukuha na natin yung temperature sa altitude na 18,000 feet, which is 454.81 Rankine. Okay, so since may temperature na tayo, may given na tayo na temperature, substitute lang natin dito sa formula ng speed of sound. Okay, para makuha natin yung speed of sound sa altitude na 18,000 feet. So VA is equals to 49.02 times 454.81 Rankine. Okay, so VA or speed of sound is equals to 1045.41 feet per second. Okay, so ito yung speed of sound ng air sa altitude na 18,000 feet. Okay,